What's up guys, Mario here and welcome back to the channel. If you guys watched the last video, you should know that Gerald did a head swap in his car, so he put a different head in it so that it could run smoother and faster. So today we're gonna be doing some logs so that we could send to the tuner, and he's gonna get the car running better than how it's running right now. So we're gonna go on the highway, get some logs, and then show you guys the whole process of that. Alright, so we got the computer that's hooked up to the car. Yeah, pretty much that's that. Gerald's driving to the highway right now. I'm gonna go get some logs, and yeah, that should be it. Give you guys some turbo noises. Hope you enjoy.
He wants to do a third gear pull at 2500 RPM to red line. Shit, that's a little bit dangerous.
Alright, so third gear red line pull.
Third gear, 2500 RPM, all the way up to red line.
Alright.
Sketchy. But we're gonna do it.
When everything starts, we just have to hit that button right there, start the logs, and then it start recording everything. We're gonna be doing a third gear pull, and then we're gonna log all of that, then send it to the tuning. So we just got done doing the first pull. Now we're gonna do a second pull and then a third.
Going back to headquarters, secret location. And then hey, car's pulling empty. Want to pop the hood, check and see if any line or anything crazy going on under the hood, because I've been having a lot of hiccups with this car ever since I did the build. So let's see.
What are you checking for?
Just checking if anything dropped off, any lines. As you can see, it's homemade, man. Nothing crazy. It's all done up in the shop. All on the budget build, built by eBay. We're trying to have fun.
Right. So you're trying to check if anything is leaking, make sure everything is right, because that's what you gotta do after you beat on your car. So, after those pull, we gotta make sure everything is right. But now you guys get to see that the car is running better. The new head is in, and it's giving the results that we were expecting. So I hope you guys like it. Alright, so that was just a quick update on how the car is running and what's going on with the car. It is doing way better, it's driving way better, and it's building a lot of boost. So in that case, I hope you guys like the video.
Like, comment, subscribe. We out.